To pay with Apple Pay on Remitly. Start by opening the Remitly app on your device. If you don't have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once you have the app, create an account or log in to your existing account. Next, navigate to the Send Money section and enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's details. Choose the country and currency you are sending to, and select the payment method as Apple Pay. You will be prompted to set up Apple Pay if you haven't already. To do this, go to the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Follow the instructions to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. Once Apple Pay is set up, go back to the Remitly app and select Apple Pay as your payment method. You will be asked to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount, recipient, and payment method. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Remitly will then process the transaction and send the money to the recipient. You will receive a confirmation email and the recipient will receive the money in their account. Using Apple Pay on Remitly is a secure and convenient way to send money. Apple Pay uses tokenization to protect your credit or debit card information. And Remitly has robust security measures in place to protect your transactions. Best practices for using Apple Pay on Remitly include keeping your device and account information up to date, monitoring your transactions regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to Remitly immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay on Remitly to send money quickly and securely.